Hey, welcome to my channel, Cooking with Manual Focus, and today we're going to be making some absolutely delicious Korean fried chicken wings. Now, you probably ask, hey, what's the difference between Korean fried chicken and Southern fried chicken, or fried chicken in general? Hey, let me tell you, I got you in the game, so follow this recipe, and I'm going to show you just exactly what's the difference. But let me go ahead and tell you, just a secret, right? Korean fried chicken is double fried for a nice crispy chicken, right? Now, without further ado, hey, let's go down to this workstation and let's focus on this Korean fried chicken wing. Now, the full list of ingredients will be in the description box below. We're going in with some minced garlic and some minced ginger. We'll set that to the side. Now, we got about a pound of chicken. Now, I want to season this with salt and pepper, so I got some kosher salt and going in with some ground pepper. Now, we're going to hit it with that minced ginger, and then we're gonna go in with some rice vinegar. Now, we want this chicken to marinate, so we're gonna get everything mixed in. We're gonna sit this out for about 20 minutes so this chicken can come up in temp, because we don't want ice cold chicken going in the hot grease, because that will reduce your temperature on that oil. All right, fam, so we got about a cup of cornstarch here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these wings, right, and we want to get them lightly coated in this cornstarch. And we want some crispy chicken, right? So we want to go 330 degrees for the initial fry of these chicken wings, and then we'll bump up the temperature, and then we'll hit it about 375 for that final crisping of this chicken. So we're gonna get the rest of these prepared, and we'll see you guys in a little bit. So we let these wings rest, and we'll let this cornstarch adhere to that chicken while we wait for our temperature to come up to 330 degrees. Now, this initial frying is going to take these wings and it's going to give it that initial crispiness, but then that second frying is going to remove the excess moisture, and then that's the key to absolutely delicious crispy Korean fried chicken. All right, fam, so we let these go about 5 minutes, so we're going to take these out. We're going to let these sit to the side while we get our next batch going. Once that oil comes back up to temp, we're gonna do our next batch while those other wings chill out for a little minute. All right, fam, this second batch is ready to go. We're gonna let these chicken wings chill out for a couple of minutes while we let this grease come back up to temp. So we're going 375 degrees for the second frying of these chicken wings, and these are going to be absolutely an extra crispy, fam. Now we got that oil heated back up 375 degrees, so we're going to place all these chicken wings in this oil. Hey, take a look at this right here. Nicely done, golden brown. This is what you want right here, fam. And we're gonna get the rest of these chicken wings out, and we're gonna sauce these wings up. Now, fam, we're gonna make the sauce. Now, I'm gonna tell you, this sauce right here is spicy. Now, if you don't like spice, then go with just like the regular chili paste, and you'll be in the game. All right, fam, we're going in with some tomato paste, and we got this Korean chili paste. Actually, this one's fried and it's hot, because you know I love my spiciness, right? We got some garlic, we got some brown sugar, we got some sesame oil, we got some soy sauce, and we're gonna get everything mixed in. And you can go with ketchup if you like, but I just like the tomato paste, kind of give it like a little richer color, and it'll be like a thicker sauce too. Now, if it's too thick, you can thin this out, you know, with just a little bit of water. And fam, I'm gonna add some honey, about 1/4 of a cup of honey will do, and then we'll get everything mixed in. Like I said, because of the tomato paste, this is gonna be like a thicker sauce. But if you want to thin this out, just go, like I said, and get you some water and you can thin this out, but this is perfect. Like I said, now you got some nice sauce right there. Now fam, this sauce right here is on the spicier side. Like I said, I got the spicy chili paste, and I'm gonna tell you, hey, that thing is fire hot, and that taste is fire. Now if you want to do it like the traditional style, you take your sauce and you'll brush that on your wing, so this will keep the integrity of the crunch, right? And I already sauced a couple, but yeah man, you keep that crispy crust, and fam, you in the game. Now you can toss these if you like, hey, but I wanna keep all that crunch in there, right? Hey, we did too much work not to enjoy that crunch. And fam, look at those wings right there. Yeah sir. This part is optional. You can hit it with a little sesame seeds if you like, but you can, you know, you don't have to do that if you don't want to, but just a couple sesame seeds here and there. All right, you in the game. Yes sir, look at that right there fam. Korean fried chicken wings. Hey, we in the game fam. All right fam, there you have it. You got your absolutely delicious Korean fried chicken wings, and take a look at this right here. Hey, yes sir, got that nice crispy chicken, and then we got that sauce, that spicy Korean sauce. Yes sir, we in the game. Now you already know what we got to do. We got to get us bad boy taste test, and hey, here we go. Cheers fam. Now that right there, I know you heard that crunch. Hey, let me go back in for it so you can hear it again. Now that right there, that is absolutely delicious, fam. Hey, you heard that crunch, and that's what Korean fried chicken is all about. It's about that crunch, but then you hit it with that sauce, fam. Like I said, you in the game. Now, if you're new to this channel, you like this content, go ahead, smash that subscribe button, and don't forget, smash that like button. Share this channel with your family and friends. And for the Focus fam that's been rolling me for a while, you already know what I gotta do. I gotta smash into this Korean fried chicken wings, and we'll see you guys on the next recipe. Peace. Yes sir, look at that right there fam. Korean fried chicken wings. Hey, we in the game fam.